Forget everything you know about off-roading because the king of the earth has arrived. This is not just a motorhome. This is not just a truck. This is the world's most massive rolling mansion on wheels, the GMC Atlas 12x12. And today you're watching it right here on Axle AutoZone. Welcome back to Axle AutoZone, the home of the wildest, most extreme machines on the planet. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at something that makes regular RVs look like toys. The GMC Atlas 12x12 is a 12-wheeled, all-terrain beast that is literally half mansion, half tank. It's built for people who don't just want to travel, they want to conquer. Let's start with the front, because the moment this monster appears in your rearview mirror, you move aside. The aggressive front fascia looks like it was carved out of solid steel. That massive grille dominates the road with the iconic red GMC badge sitting right in the center, like a badge of authority. The LED headlights are sharp, modern, and intimidating, and above them you've got huge, roof-mounted LED light bars that can turn night into day. Whether you're crossing the desert at midnight or climbing through mountain fog, this thing lights up the world. Down below, you've got a heavy-duty steel bumper integrated with an industrial-grade winch. This isn't decorative. This is serious recovery hardware. If the Atlas gets stuck, which is unlikely, it can literally pull itself, or another vehicle, out of almost anything. Tow hooks finished in bold red sit up front, adding to that military-inspired presence. Everything about the front screams power, dominance, and no compromise. Now move to the side profile, and this is where things become absolutely insane. 12 massive all-terrain tires. Yes, 12. 6 axles. The scale of this machine is almost hard to process. Each wheel is wrapped in thick off-road rubber designed to handle sand dunes, deep mud, rocky trails, and snow-covered landscapes. The ground clearance is enormous. You're not driving over obstacles, you're driving through them. The custom blue paint job gives it a surprisingly clean and premium look, almost like a luxury yacht on monster truck suspension. The body stretches out with a commanding length. That feels more like a luxury tour bus than a traditional RV. Tinted windows run along the side, giving privacy while maintaining a sleek, modern design. Roof rails span the top, ready for extra cargo, solar panels, or expedition gear. This isn't just about size. It's about presence. When the GMC Atlas 12x12 pulls up, it owns the scene. Now let's walk to the rear, because the back of this machine is just as functional as it is rugged. You've got a heavy-duty rear bumper built to handle serious towing. And when we say serious, we're talking about the ability to tow boats, trailers, even other trucks without breaking a sweat. A rear access ladder climbs up to the roof, giving you easy access to storage or a potential rooftop deck. The taillights are vertically stacked and built into the solid rear body, maintaining that industrial armored look. The entire rear design feels purposeful, durable, and expedition-ready. Alright, enough about the outside. Let's step into the cockpit, because this is where brute strength meets futuristic luxury. The driver's seat isn't just a seat. It's a premium leather captain's throne, heated, ventilated, fully adjustable, wrapped in high-grade materials that scream first-class comfort. The dashboard is a futuristic command center with multiple 4K digital displays. One screen handles your instrument cluster, another controls navigation, and a central infotainment system manages cameras, terrain modes, suspension settings, and onboard systems. You've got advanced off-road navigation with satellite mapping, real-time terrain feedback, and multiple camera angles showing every tire position. With 12 wheels, you need awareness, and the Atlas gives you full control. The steering wheel feels thick and powerful in your hands, and visibility from this elevated driving position makes you feel like the commander of a land battleship. Now let's talk about what powers this monster. Under the hood sits a massive turbo diesel engine, hypothetically pushing somewhere in the range of 800 horsepower and mountains of torque. This isn't about top speed. This is about unstoppable pulling power, paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system that distributes torque across all 12 wheels. This machine can crawl over almost anything. Sand dunes? No problem. Deep snow? Easy. Thick mud? It just keeps moving. The suspension system is reinforced and tuned for extreme terrain, absorbing shocks while keeping the cabin surprisingly smooth. And speaking of the cabin, let's step into the living area, because this is where the Atlas transforms from beast to palace. As you walk into the rear cabin, you're greeted by a spacious seating area wrapped in rich Italian leather. The craftsmanship feels high-end and luxurious. There's a large L-shaped sofa, a fold-out dining table, and ambient mood lighting running along the ceiling and floor panels. At the press of a button, a hidden 65-inch 4K television rises smoothly from a cabinet. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. Movie nights in the middle of the desert? Absolutely. The lighting system can shift colors depending on your mood. Soft warm tones for relaxing evenings. Cool blue accents for a modern vibe. Large windows let in natural light during the day, and at night you can close the blinds for total privacy. The insulation keeps the interior quiet and climate controlled, no matter how harsh the environment outside. Now let's move to the kitchen, because yes, this 2012 tank has a fully functional gourmet kitchen. You've got marble countertops that add a touch of elegance, paired with high-end appliances. A full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, and even a compact dishwasher. Storage cabinets are cleverly integrated into every corner. You can cook full meals out here in the wild without sacrificing convenience. It's luxury apartment living, just on 12 massive wheels. And finally, the bedroom. At the back of the Atlas sits a king-size master bed that looks and feels like it belongs in a 5-star hotel. The mattress is thick and plush, surrounded by soft touch panels and integrated reading lights. But the real highlight? A panoramic glass roof panel above the bed. Imagine parking this beast in the middle of nowhere, lying back, and watching the stars through that massive glass ceiling. No city lights, no noise, just you and the sky. There's also generous wardrobe space, hidden compartments, and possibly even a full bathroom setup with a premium shower and modern fixtures, making this a true self-contained home on wheels. This isn't camping. This is glamping at an extreme level. Performance-wise, those 12 wheels don't just look dramatic. They provide unmatched stability and traction. The weight distribution across 6 axles keeps the Atlas balanced, even on uneven terrain. Each wheel grips independently, allowing the vehicle to adapt to changing surfaces effortlessly. Despite its size, advanced steering geometry ensures it remains surprisingly manageable to drive. So what's the final verdict on the GMC Atlas 12x12? This machine isn't built for everyone. It's built for visionaries, for explorers, for people who want to dominate landscapes while living in total comfort. With a hypothetical price tag of around $2 million, this is more than a vehicle. It's a statement. It says you don't follow roads, you create your own. Now I've got to ask you, if you had $2 million to spend, would you invest it in this rolling fortress of luxury and power? Would you take it across deserts, mountains, and frozen tundras? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed witnessing one of the most insane motorhomes ever imagined, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Axle AutoZone, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next automotive giant we bring to your screen. Because here, we don't review ordinary vehicles, we showcase legends on wheels, and this is the GMC Atlas 12x12.